If you want something, you've got to take it. No one's going to hand it to you. The world doesn't care about your excuses or your comfort zone. It will beat you down, test you, and push you to the edge. But that's exactly where you find out what you're made of. Weak people quit when it gets tough. They fold, they run, they look for the easy way out. But not you. You're built different. You don't back down because the path gets hard. You don't flinch because there's a wall in your way. You break through that wall, brick by brick, because you understand that the only thing standing between you and your dreams is your relentless pursuit. So when you feel tired, when your body screams at you to give up, remember this: quitting is easy. It's the choice of the weak, the ones who settle for mediocrity. You didn't come this far to be weak. You didn't start this journey to stop halfway. You keep pushing. You keep grinding. You outlast every obstacle, every doubt, and every fear. Because in the end, it's not the one with the talent that wins, it's the one with the fight. Now ask yourself, are you going to quit and be like everyone else? Or are you going to rise, fight, and take what's yours? Life says, every day is a chance to begin again. Don't focus on the failures of yesterday. They're lessons, not limitations. Start today with positive thoughts, a grateful heart, and a hopeful spirit. Embrace the possibilities that each new day holds, and trust that small steps forward create great progress. Your journey is yours to rewrite, one day at a time. Everyone has an untold story hidden behind closed doors. Try to understand that people are not always as they first seem, and that kindness goes a long way. Behind every smile, there may be struggles you cannot see, and behind every silence, there may be a depth you cannot know. So, treat others with empathy and patience. You never know what they are going through or how much your compassion could mean to them. If the door closes, quit banging on it. Whatever was behind it was not meant for you. Consider the fact that maybe the door was closed because you were worth so much more than what was on the other side. Keep going, because you deserve to see what happens when all of your hard work pays off. Keep going, because you're stronger than you think you are. Keep going, because every step forward brings you one step closer to your goals. Keep going, because the best is yet to come.
If God says no, it's for your own good. If God withholds anything from you, it's for the better. Because every good and perfect gift comes from above. And so if God is keeping it from you, it's because He's got something better in store for you.
You never really know the true impact you have on those around you. You never know how much someone needed that smile you gave them. You never know how much your kindness turned someone's entire life around. You never know how much someone needed that long hug or deep talk. So don't wait to be kind. Don't wait for someone else to be kind first. Don't wait for better circumstances or for someone to change. Just be kind, because you never know how much someone needs it. I don't want the shiny or fancy stuff in life. I don't want the things society tells us we should desire. I just want moments that breathe meaning, you know? I want the kind of laughter that makes my cheeks hurt and my eyes water. I want the kind of joy that doesn't need a reason to celebrate. I want the kind of peace like sipping my coffee while reading a book on a Sunday morning. I want the kind of conversations that remind my soul what it feels like coming home. I want the kind of hearts around me, beating with genuine intentions and loving without conditions. I want the kind of life that is filled with little moments of bliss, but endless amounts of kindness, gratitude, meaning, and purpose.